occurs and there is pain in the throat is obstructed. When there is fever without sweating, the diarrhea will also necessarily stop.
Yeah.
If it does not stop, there will surely be stools with pus and blood. When stools contain pus and blood, the throat is obstructed.
No, when the stool contains pus and blood, that means for sure it's ulcer. No? Your ulcer in the colon. Then the blood come out and pus. No, that's quite serious. No. Okay. So actually, all these things are the observation of the stool. Okay, this is the thing. See how the shape of the stool, whether contain any blood. Sometimes the blood doesn't come out in red color. No, it's in dark color. Because when the blood contact with the digestive juice become dark, so you get very dark stool. Dark stool also you have to be very careful. You should suspect internal bleeding. No? Internal bleeding, yeah.
And the most beautiful thing about Shangalun, doctor, is it is focusing more on so many symptoms, not on the quality of
not
the
on
herb.
disease.
Not on disease.
On symptoms.
On the symptoms.
So study of symptom is the main thing about the herbalist. We treat symptom, we don't treat disease.
Correct.
Even the same disease, no? Different symptom, the treat is different.
So there cannot be one standard blanket diabetes patient with symptoms. You could have diabetes, a million different types of people.
There's one very famous case, no? They one couple. Okay, they are having flus, no? Then they go to see one Shangalun doctor, no? And they get two different formula. Then they say, we are couple, no? We stay together. We have the same disease, no? Why different? The doctor say, your husband are very inert, you know? Very low-lying. He doesn't talk much. Okay? His symptom more towards yin. But you talk so much, no? You argue so much, no? You are young, no? So I need to lower down your metabolism. I need to boost his metabolism. So even though you sleep together, you have the same disease, but treatment is not the same. You remember last few sessions, people asked how to treat Ebola. No, we don't treat Ebola, no. We treat the symptom.
You treat the symptom, correct?
Yeah.
335.
Remember, you as a herbalist now, always treat the symptom, not the disease.
Yeah, and I think treating the symptom by using the herbs for the symptom, not
Yeah.
Of the
and herbs also two-way, you know. Similar, treat similar, or opposite. Then the system treat system, genotherapy. System treat system, yeah. Let's proceed, yeah.
335, in harmful disease, if reversal occurs from the first or the second day to the fourth or fifth day, there will inevitably be fever. If there is fever first, the reversal will inevitably follow. When the reversal is severe, the fever is also severe. When the reversal is mild, the fever is also mild. Reversal should be treated by purging. If instead sweating is induced, the mouth will inevitably become ulcerated and red. Reversal here means hand and feet turning cold. Yeah, okay.
Yeah. Head and feet turn cold, okay. You see, sometimes when the head and feet turn cold, the body become very heaty, you know. Because the warmth of the hand and feet always come from the internal body. You produce heat, then the blood will bring them to your extremity. So when the circulation is bad, you know, when the metabolism is poor, the circulation is bad, then you had the extremity is cold, but internal is very, very heaty, you know. Okay. So if one thing they don't say is constipation. If the constipation is there, when you check the abdomen is hard, you know, then you can push.
Understood.
Even though the hand and leg are cold.
Understood. Yeah. Logical.
And don't you very careful, you know. That time people are very, very, very precious, no? And they have to carve the word, thing. So they minimize the usage of words.
Words. Yeah.
So many of the information are high, you know. So when you read also, you should know. I mean,
I think, doctor, if you go read, you understand the logic from initial part.
Yeah.
Even the words are compressed, but the logic still continues.
Yeah, continuous.
Okay. You
push because of constipation, always because of constipation. You do not push because there's heat, you know. Also, this pushing can reduce heat, but you only push when you have constipation.
And doctor, one more thing about Shangalun is when he's telling you to do something, if it is not working right, he is ready to change it also. So
yeah.
he uses even treatment as a method of diagnosis.
Yeah, there's some idiot, no, they even say that Zhang Zhongji are not a very good doctor because he always talk about wrong treatment. As a good teacher, always tell the student, no, when you're treating wrongly, what should you do? That's also important, you know.
Correct.
To correct your wrong treatment, that's very important. There's no guarantee that every treatment will be successful.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Okay, next
Okay.
slide.
Yes, proceed, yeah.
Last 4 to go. Okay. In 336, in harmful disease, when reversal lasts 5 days and fever also lasts 5 days, if on the 6th day reversal returns, it is expected if reversal does not recur, the illness will resolve of itself. Reversal never exceeds 5 days because fever also lasts 5 days. One knows the disease will spontaneously resolve. Okay. Next slide. If there, okay.
5 days to 1 week, you know. Normally
That's
this thing will
maximum.
happen. Okay. So in a flu cycle, so 1 week, 7 days. The flu should recover by itself. So if the flu do not recover by itself, then we enter into the interval. You have to be very careful. Okay. Yeah. So this is talking about the timing, you know.
Understood.
Okay. So you as a doctor, so you should know when the disease can be cured. Yeah.
Okay, next slide. 337. In all cases of reversal, yin and yang, chi fail to connect and flow smoothly, and thus reversal arises. Reversal means that the hands and the feet are counterflow cold. This is the meaning of reversal.
Yeah, reversal. Yeah, you see, I mean, yin and yang should be balanced, no?
Correct.
They should be circulated properly, but because they're separated, you know.
Yeah.
So your hand and leg are very cold, but your body are very hot. Okay, so the treatment become complicated.
Understood. Yeah.
In one hand, you need to take care of the metabolism. In the other hand, you need to push the heat.
Correct.
Yeah.
338. In harmful disease, when the pulse is faint and there is reversal, and by the 7th or 8th day, the skin is cold, and yet the person is restless and has no moment of peace, this is visceral reversal, not roundworm. You can roundworm reversal. In roundworm reversal, the patient will vomit roundworms. If the present patient is quiet, but at times becomes restless again, this is visceral cold. The roundworms rise into the diaphragm and therefore causing restlessness, which soon subsides again. When the food is taken and vomiting occurs and restlessness returns, the roundworms, having sensed the smell of food, come out and patient frequently vomits the roundworms. For roundworm reversal, Wu Mei Tuan governs.
Ume one. Yeah.
Wume one. Ebony plump globules. It also governs chronic diarrhea, Formula 1. And we can see the contemporary.
Yeah, means the black plum.
Yeah.
Is used to treat the roundworm. Roundworm parasite will make a person become irritable. Okay, so the vaccination is there. Okay, Ume-1 is a very famous formula to treat the roundworm. Okay, so what do you call? Ume is the ebony mean black, you know. Ebony plum mean black plum. Okay, then cecin is a kind of what do you call, spice, no? It's very spicy. Okay, then kanjiang is the dried ginger. Okay, Huang Lian is very cold. Okay, Tang Kui is the angelica. Tang Kui are very aromatic, you know. And in Europe, they always use it in the dishes to enhance the flavor. Okay, so this is a very common plant, and this formula is very famous for the parasitic. But in this veggie soup, we take this the seed of papaya, no?
Yeah, the seed of papaya is good.
Yeah, you just take the seed of papaya. The one also can treat parasite. The one my mother used a lot in the village, no? Here we use the seed of papaya.
But nowadays, doctor, nowadays modern medicine also has a good one single shot.
Yeah. Actually, for children also, every 1 year or 6 months, it's good for them to take the parasitic.
Deworming.
To push the parasite.
Yeah.
No, even in Japan, you know, even the adult, they take it once a year.
Yeah.
To push, because Japanese, they like to eat the raw food.
So possible.
A lot of parasite problem. A lot of parasite problem. Then they take this the modern medicines. They were very effective.
Yeah, very effective, doctor.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, as a doctor, no, we are not against any medicine. Whether it's Western or whether it's Eastern, we don't care. As long as
Correct.
applicable, we use, no.
Yeah.
Okay, don't be so orthodox in the use of medication.
Doctor,
Because when we ask people to use the Western medicine, many of the students, they are not very happy.
true.
They say we are supposed to be organic this thing now. We do not worship, you know. And the convenience also very important, you know.
Absolutely.
Okay, so to buy the thing from the pharmacy is very convenient.
And
You see the purging, you know, like purging,
yeah.
like this, even diuretic. You also had this OTC diuretic.
Yes,
you know,
yes.
to promote the urine. Okay, then this worms, okay, and also skin fungus disease, no.
Yes.
We,
Antifungals.
we use a lot of Western medicines, especially the skin disease, no. It's very fast.
Yeah.
It's antifungal medicine, you know.
Very, very fast.
Yeah. No, you can use herbal medicine, but